Hello, I'm growing beetroot this year. I had 2 short rows in the raised bed and the sparrows took the lot. I put some nets over, but obviously didn't make a very good job of it, and the sparrows took the lot. Anyway, I've resown the beds and I've actually put some of those blue crates over, those spent mushroom crates. I know they definitely work. The sparrows will not get past those. So we're trying again with beetroot in the raised beds. And in the meantime, I've got these growing in this ex-cut flower water bucket, this 10-inch ex-cut flower water bucket. Now these seeds, these beetroot, when I look at the ticket, it says that they're a variety called Globe 2 and that there are 12 pre-germinated seeds in here. So these are beetroot that were started off indoors on damp tissue, and then I brought them out as seedlings and planted them up in this bucket. Now the sparrows are not getting anywhere near these leaves. There's no marks on any of these leaves, and that's because I've actually got some protection for these. Now then, when you water buckets, I'll come back to the protection, but this is like a double whammy, if you like. When you water these buckets, you can water them from the top, you can water them from the bottom. You can do both, you can do what you like. For your buckets, but this is a container that used to have fat balls in for the birds. Obviously it's empty now when I've took the label off. But these are ideal to put a drop of water in, stand your bucket in, and it'll water from the bottom. And just soak up the bucket. So that's a good use for these, but I've just discovered another good use for them. Let me just put it to one side and let me throw this ball down the garden for Meg. Right, pop this back up here. If I can perch this on top of that bucket without it falling off, then we've got some protection for these beetroot. The sparrows won't get them. So if we do this, gently tuck all the leaves in, like this. Hey, we've got that protection. Sparrows won't get those. Problem is, this is likely to fall off. It's likely to get blown off by the wind. It needs to be secured. We've got another great idea. We've got another great idea for securing this on the top of this water bucket. Let me show you this. I'll just move this to one side again and we'll bring this back into the shot, and we've got some clothes pegs, 4 clothes pegs, and we're going to use those to secure this to that water bucket. Yes, we are. Okay. There you go, Meg. Right. Now, I've done this off camera a number of times and got them on every time. So the idea is the pegs rest on the edge of the bucket, like that, and the leaves are tucked inside, like that. How's that? We just make sure that they're all seated properly. We've got these leaves inside. Yeah. How's that? Does that give me that protection? Looks okay to me. What about you? Yeah, looks okay to me. What about you? And if these leaves decide they want to pop out under the protection, they're easily enough pop back in, aren't they? How's that? I'm well chuffed with that. Okay. So this is Homegrown Veg, signing out.